Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about the algebraic expression, that is chapter 12. Now, today I will teach you about the percentage. As you know, today's our topic is percentage. So, first question arises here, what is percentage? What is percent? Percent means per 100. The word here, the word percent, that means per 100. The word percentage means per 100. In mathematics, percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100, and percentage, this one is the sign of percentage. This one is the sign of percentage. Sign of percentage. So, students, see here, that means a percent is a fraction that always has 100 as a denominator. Percentage, that is a fraction that has 100 as a denominator. That means examples, one examples I am taking here. Example is, suppose this one is the 15%. This one is a symbol of percentage. Okay, 15%. So, how to write in fraction? How to write this one in the fraction? What I told, ki percentage is a fraction that always has 100 as a denominator. 100 as a denominator. 15%, 15 divided by 100. 15 divided by 100. 10%, that is 10 divided by 100. 2%, that is 2 divided by 100. 1%, that means 1 divided by 100. So, we notice here, percent is a fraction that always has 100 as denominator. So, students, to go from the fraction to the percent, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. We have to multiply it by 100. Suppose examples, here fraction is given. Fraction is equal to 2 by 3. This one is a fraction and you have to convert it into the percentage. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this fraction, multiply by 100. 2 by 3 multiply 100. And immediately we have to add the sign of the percentage. Sign of the percentage, that means this is the sign of the percentage. Okay. And now afterwards we have to 200 divided by 3 percentage. Divide this number, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, like that. Means 66.66%. Okay. Students, in fraction, in percentage, what we have to learn? If we will learn about, if percentage is given, suppose 70%, how to convert into change into fraction. Conversion percentage to fraction. And if fraction is given 2 by 3, change into percentage. Okay. So if percent is given, you have to convert into fraction. So how we will convert? If fraction is given and you have to convert into percentage, how we will do and find the percentage of the given fraction? See here, first question is here, 70%, change it into the fraction. What is the percentage given here? 70%. And what I told, percent, that means per 100. Percent, that means per 100. 70%, that means 70 by 100. Now you reduce this 0 cancel. Then what is left on the top? Numerator is 7 and denominator is 10. So what is the fraction here? 7/10. Now take next example. Suppose is 1%. So how to convert this one into the fraction? What I told, percentage, that means per 100. Means 1% means 1/100. 1/100. And that is a fraction form. Okay. Now see the next question is here 2/4. Change it into the fraction. Change it into the fraction is given. You have to convert it into the percentage. How we will convert it? See here. What is given? Fraction is given 2/4. What I told? For converting the fraction into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 100. And immediately we have to put the sign of the percentage. That is, then see here, reduce the number. 4 ones are 4 and here 4 twos are 8 and here left is 2 0 20, 4 fives are 20. 2 into what is on the top? 2 into 25%. That means see here 25 twos are 50%. In the side, in calculation work, you can write here 25 multiply 2. 5 twos are 10. 1 is carry here 2 twos are 4 plus 1, that is 5. Students, see here in fraction is given during the cancellation time. What you have to see? You have to select any numbers. Take care. Both are divisible. Both numbers, denominators and numerators, is divisible by the same number. That means take the another example. 2/8. Change it into the fraction. Change it into the percentage. Fraction is given. Percentage you have to convert. How we will convert? What I told, you have to write the fraction, multiply it with 100 and immediately we have to put the sign of the percentage. Now reduce the number. If you don't know which number is both 8 and 200 is divisible, so read here 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Again this one is a 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20. That means it will be the 25%. Okay. So students, we learn here two things. First things, percentage is given and you have to convert it into the fraction. And second questions we learn if fraction is given and we have to convert it into the percentage. So students, two things we learn. First, conversion of percentage to fraction. Of percentage to fraction. And in second, we learn conversion of fraction to percentage. Now, third question is here. Suppose any figures is given here. This one is the here and this boxes is divided into some parts. This boxes is divided into some parts. So students, now the figure is given only and here question is here कि you have to find the fraction and you have to also find the percentage. What we have to find? Fraction. We have to find the fraction and then you have to find the percentage or also of the given figure. And here some part is shaded here. One figure is given. That figure is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many parts it divided? 8 parts. And how many parts are shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So students, what is the fraction? What is fraction here? So what I told during the writing times, fraction as a denominators, you have to write the total number of the boxes. What are the given in the boxes? Total number you have to count and write in the down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 8 in the down. And how many parts is shaded here? You have to write on the top as a numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts is shaded here? 4. Means out of 8, 4 part is shaded here. So 4 by 8. You can reduce the number and also write 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That means is the 1 by 2. What is this? One fraction is here 1 by 2. Now next question is percentage. So what I told, if fraction is given here, fraction is given here. What is the fraction? 1 by 2. What is the fraction here? 1 by 2. So what I told, converting the fraction into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. 100. Add here sign of the percentage. We have to add here sign of the percentage. Then reduce this one. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0. What is left there? 50, 50%. Means if figure is given, you have to convert, you have to write the fraction. So that times what you have to do? You have to count all the boxes. How many boxes are there? And you have to write in the down as a denominator. And how many are the shaded there? You have to write on the top. Numerator as a numerator. Okay. So students, come and see the exercise. First question is here. Change the following into percentage. Some fractions are given. 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 5 and 3 by 20. Some fractions are given here and you have to convert it into percentage. So students, take the first question. What is the first question here? 3 by 2 and you have to convert this fraction into the percentage. So what you have to do? You have to write this fraction 3 by 2, multiply it with 100 and you have to put the sign of the percentage. Okay, and after writing this, you have to reduce the number. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. What is left on the top? See here 3, write 3, multiply here 5 0 50 and afterwards what we have to put the sign or percentage. Okay, now see 3 5s are 15, 3 zeros are 0, then is 150%. 150%. Same way you have to solve this one. 5 by 2. What is given here? 5 by 2. Next question is 5 by 2. So what I told, write the fraction 5 by 2, multiply it with 100 and you have to put the sign of percentage. Now again you reduce this number. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. What is left on the top? 5 multiply 50 and this one is the percentage. Okay, then 5 5s are 25 and 5 zeros are 0 to 50%. Okay, now see the next question is here 1 by 5. Next question is here 1 by 5. Third number is 1 by 5. Then what is the fraction here? You write 1 by 5 and you have to multiply it with 100 and also put the sign of the percentage. Reduce this number. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. What is left on the top? 1 multiply 20%. Then what is the answer? 20%. So students, this is the first questions in your exercise. Now see the second question is given here. Change the percentage into the fraction. Some percentage is given and you have to convert that percentage into the fraction. Second question is given. Percentage is given here. See 50%. What is the question here? 50%, 15% and then 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%. Next is question is here 10%. And you have to convert this into the fraction. So we are taking the first question, that is the 50%. And students, what I told percent, that means per 100. 50% means 50 by 100. Okay. Now reduce this number. 1010 cancel. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. What is left on the top? 1. What is left on the top? 1. What is 1? And in the down, what is left? 2. So 50%, that is a fraction is here. Fraction is here 1 by 2. Fraction is here 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Take the next question, that is question 2, 15%. I told you 15%. Percent, that means per 100. 15 divided by 100. Reduce this number. 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. Then what is the fraction here? 3 by 20. Write the fraction. Fraction is here 3 by 20. Now next question is here 2%. 2%. So what we have to do? Percent, that is per 100, 2 by 100. Then reduce this number. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. That is the fraction is here 1 by 50. Same way. Fourth one is 10%. 10%, that means 10 divided by 100. Reduce this one. 1010 cancel. What is left on the top? 1, and in the down 10. 1 by 10. Okay. Now next question is there. Question number 3. So students, see here, question number 3 is find out 60%. Question number 3 is find out 60% of rupees 360. 60% of rupees 360. So what we have to do? First you write what is given here. What is given there? 60% of rupees 360. So write this one. 60%. What I told, percent, that means per 100. So you can write this 60 in fraction form. 60 divided by 100. What is the meaning of off? Meaning of off is multiply. Multiply. And what is written here? 360. Write here 360. Now reduce the number. 1010 cancel. 1010 cancel. What is left on the top? 6 multiply 36. Now multiply this one inside calculation work. You can write here calculation work. Okay, and in the down you multiply this number. 6 6 are 36. What we have to write? 6 and 3 is carry here. 6 3s are 18. 18 and 3, that is 21. So what we have to write? 216 rupees. 216 rupees. Okay. Now next question is here 15% of, same way. You have to solve the next question is the same as a question number 3. 15% of 480 kg. 15% of 480 kg. So what I told, percent, that means per 100. 15%, that means 15 by 15 divided by 100. Of means multiply. 480, write as it 480. Now reduce this number. 0 0 cancel. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. What is left there? 3 into 24. Now you can write here KC, KC. And in this side you multiply 24 multiply 3. 3 4s are 12. What is carry here? 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So you have to write here 72 kg. 72 kg. Okay. So students, this is the question from your exercise. One problem solving I am taking from your book. See what is given here. Question number 5. Sita got Question number 4. Sita got 250 marks. Sita got 250 marks out of 500. Out of 500. So you have to convert these marks into the percentage. Convert this one. Convert these marks into percentage. So, what is given here? She got 250 marks out of 500. So, first you write the fraction form. And students, total marks, what I told? Total marks you have to write in the down. And out of 500, that means 500 is in the down as a denominator. And what she got, that number will be on the top as a numerator. She got 250. 250. As you notice that during the examination, teachers given you answer sheet of exam paper, then that times also she retain the total marks in the down. Suppose exam paper is the out of 25. So what she did, she retained the 25 in the down, total marks is in the down, and how much you got in that subjects, that is on the, suppose it is the 17, then 17 out of 25 means total marks is in the down, and how much you got in that particular subjects, that is the on the top as a numerator. So she got 250 marks out of 500. In the fraction form we are writing at 250 divided by 500. That fraction already we created here. Then what we have to do? We have to convert this fraction into the percentage. So what I told, for converting the fraction into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply this fraction 250 divided by 500 with 100, and also we have to put the symbol of percentage. So students, reduce this number. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 20, and 5 zeros are 0. What is left on the top? 50%. In the down nothing is left, so write 50%. That is the way to convert fraction to percentage, percentage to fraction. And students, percentage can convert into, can convert into fraction, ratio, as well as decimal point. What conclusion we got from this exercise? If percentage can convert into fraction, ratio, decimal. One example, through one example I am explaining you. See here what I told you. If percentage can convert into fraction, ratio, decimal point. Okay, now we are taking the 1% here. Suppose this one is the 25%. Example, we are taking the example. Through the example I explain you how percentage can convert into fraction, ratio, decimal point. So first is here fraction. 25 in fraction form, how we will write fraction, that is 25%. Percent, that means per 100. That means fraction is here 25 by 100. You can reduce this number and also write 1 by 4. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So in fraction form it is the 1 by 4. Now we have to write the ratio. After getting the fraction, we can write 1:4. That is, this one is the symbol of ratio. This one is the symbol of ratio. Students, don't be confused. This one is the ratio symbol is here, and percentage sign is like that. Okay. Now decimal points. For finding the decimal points is here. What is written here? 25 by 100. See students, how many zeros here? 2 zeros. So after from the right sides, you have to count the 2 digit 1, 2 and put the points 0.25. So students, this chapter percentage is over. Next class I will send you the notes of the percentage. Thank you.